Welcome back guys, we are about to start right from where we left. In case you missed my previous video, I would like to tell you that I am now back on YouTube for good and I am all set to become a full-time YouTuber. This is a new style in which I am going to be recording all of my upcoming videos with myself in all the videos, and I hope that you guys really like it and appreciate it as well. So today we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A72 and the Galaxy A52. In case you have been following me for a while, you know that I have covered a few things about the Galaxy A72 and the A52, and you probably own a Samsung Galaxy A51 or the A71 as well. So just like you, I am also keeping my eyes on the Samsung Galaxy A72 and the A52. While I was not here, a lot of information has come out regarding both the devices. Now, first of all, we have this news that the Samsung Galaxy A72 appeared on Samsung's support page on one of Samsung's regional websites, according to Sam Mobile. Now, the support page itself reveals nothing more than the phone's model number, which is quite useless for us right now because the model number really doesn't tell us about the specifications or anything else about this phone. However, there is another set of information that has come out from this Twitter handle named The Tech Guy. Now, according to this Twitter user, the Samsung Galaxy A72 has passed the BIS certification, the FCC certification, and it has also passed the Brazilian telecom Anatel's certification. Now, according to these certifications, the phone's battery capacity has come out, and this capacity is going to be 5000 mAh. And the phone is going to support 25 watt super fast charging. Now, when I say 25 watt super fast charging support, that doesn't necessarily mean that there is going to be a 25 watt charger in the box of the phone. I do expect Samsung to keep the charger inside the box of these mid-tier phones, but we know that Apple has given a very nice business model to these manufacturers, so we can't really keep our expectations and hopes really high. But again, I do expect Samsung to include the charger in the box of the A72 and the Galaxy A52 as well. The previous leaks suggested that the A72 4G is going to be equipped with the Snapdragon 720G and the 5G variant is going to be equipped with the Snapdragon 750G chipset. A number of press renders of the Galaxy A72 have also appeared courtesy of OnLeaks and EveLeaks and Vice. According to these images, the phone is going to be equipped with a new design language, which looks really premium and inspired by the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and S20 FE's design language. Now, these phones are going to be built out of plastic, but Samsung's plastic built phones are really good. As you can see in the images, there is going to be a new color line for these smartphones. Hopefully, we will not see the old colors again, and the navy blue and this aqua color in the Samsung Galaxy A72 looks really cool. As far as the Samsung Galaxy A52 is concerned, this phone is also expected to come out in the 4G and 5G variations. Now, the A52 style is not going to be much different. It's going to be a smaller phone, but with almost identical specifications. Previous leaks have suggested that the A52 will also have the Snapdragon 720G for the 4G and 750G for the 5G variant. But I personally do not believe that the A72 and the A52 will have the same chipset, because when we had the A70 and A50, both phones used a different chipset, with the A50 being on the lower side. Similarly, the Samsung Galaxy A71 and the A51 both had a different chipset, with the A51 being on the lower side. So how come Samsung can use the same chipset in its upper end Samsung Galaxy A72 and the lower end Samsung Galaxy A52? I made a wishlist for the Samsung Galaxy A72 a few days back, and in that wishlist I wished the Samsung Galaxy A72 to have the Exynos 1080 or the Snapdragon 765 chipset. But after the Geekbench leaks, I do not really expect something improved or better, but it's never too wrong to hope for the best and expect for the best to come out. So these phones are coming out. The launch is imminent after all these leaks. The support page basically means that the launch of these phones is imminent now. Samsung is releasing a couple of other phones as well, including the Galaxy M62 and one smartphone in the F series. So yeah, the upcoming time is going to be really exciting. I am keeping my eyes on all the updates regarding the Samsung Galaxy A72 and the A52, and I'll make sure to bring all the news as soon as it happens right here. As Samsung finally pulls the curtains off from these phones, I will be getting my hands on these phones as well, and I'll be doing the thorough testing in my own style, just like you saw with the Samsung Galaxy A51 and the A71 last year. So make sure that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos, and to ensure that, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to turn on the notifications as well. Once again, let me know how do you find this video. Would you like to see more of it? And hit the like button. With that said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.